Hey guys, thank you for watching the next episode. Today we're working on our 03 CTS. It's my wife's birthday, so I bought her a set of H&R Lowering Springs. So we're gonna go ahead and lower this thing 2 inches and see what it looks like lowered. All right, rears are on. You excited? You excited? All right, did it again. Welded a bolt, I welded a nut. Took me a couple tries as you've seen, but got it. What do you want to say?
Hey guys.
Well, there you have it. It's installed. The H&R lowering kit lowered it about 2 inches. It is a little high in the front, but I think it will go down after a day of driving or so.